Hey everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事 the story of Chinese character. Today, we are going to learn gong. Gong. That's how we write it. At first glance, it's just a simple shape, but there's so much more to it.Originally, gong represented a carpenter's square, a tool used for measuring straight lines. The vertical lines measure upright lines, and the horizontal one measures, horizontal lines. But gong isn't just about tools, it's also about people who work with skill and effort.Think 劳工 for workers or 木工 for carpenters 劳工木工It's all about labor and craftsmanship. And here's where it gets really interesting. Gong is the root for other characters with clever meanings. Take 左 for example. It's like a picture of a left hand holding a tool. And today, it simply means left. How about 巧? Imagine using a tool to patch up something broken. Once you are done, it fits perfectly. No gaps, no mistake. That's why 巧 means clever or just right. Pretty cool, right? From tools to meanings, gong is building a lot of connection in the Chinese language.